Hello, hey, hi guys, how are you? Alright, so today I'm not sharing with you guys something that I've got from the mail today. This one is from Freshop. So I'm gonna give it a try and let's open it up now. So I have unboxed both of them. So here they are, Miracle and Black Magic. I'm gonna try one of them. I don't know which one, but I'm gonna sniff and test out on my skin real quick just to see which one should I try tonight. This one is the coconut oil and sugar oil base that acts as a gentle exfoliator. It smells so good. Alright. So this one is the Black Magic. I love the name so much. So this one have a fresh scent, which I love. So probably tonight I'm gonna try this one first. So I just washed my face using my favorite cleanser from Fresh Beauty. This is not from Freshop, but Freshop works well with other products as well. I'm just gonna use these tiny spoons to fork it out, so I don't want to touch the product just yet. Now I'm gonna go and wash it off. Alright, so I just washed my face and I can safely say that my skin feels really soft, and it has that slightly glowing effect. Sorry, my hair is wet. And also I forgot to mention that I used this. This is actually the facial sponge when I rinsed it out, so it came out very smoothly. So yeah, you can check them out. I leave the IG link down below, or you can go to their website at freshshopbeauty.com. And the best part is you guys can get these and so much more at 15% off by using my code IMAN15, and you can check them out down below and also go to their website and get yours today. Alright, bye!